My name's Annette Matthew. It's my husband that's having the surgery done, cataracts removed from his eyes, and both eyes were done. And I must say that we came here because Dr. Zamindar and her team were highly recommended by some friends of ours. A couple of them were doctors who recommended that we come here, and we have found the experience to be absolutely amazingly wonderful, right from their mission statement, which involves in the highest of quality care for the patients, to the dispensation of medication and explanations of the way to go about things post-operatively. Everything was absolutely excellent. I would recommend the Zamindar's clinic to anyone. In fact, I've got a couple of people lined up who are coming very shortly. Thank you very much for the service that you provide, and I must say that all the staff, from the watchman to anyone else that we've met, have all been so helpful and attentive, and must say their coffee is excellent as well. Thank you.